Hello everyone, I'm Kenny. Today I would like to share with you how to quickly operate the Swiss type CNC lathe. First, I will invite a master to show it for you. Before starting, be sure to check the machine drum to ensure that the equipment parts are installed correctly. Then press the button to turn on the machine. Enter the measuring program. Confirm that the parameters are correct. Press the appropriate operating keys to start the measuring. I hope this demonstration will help you to learn more about the operation of the Swiss lathe. Bye!